Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through how to set a custom sound for requests for access notifications on Google Drive. If you often receive these notifications, changing the alert tone can make it easier to recognize them instantly. Let's go step by step. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your settings. This is where all the customization starts. Once you're inside, scroll until you see Apps and tap on it. This section shows you every app currently installed on your device. Next, find Google Drive from the list and open it. This is where we'll adjust the notification settings specifically for Drive. Once you've tapped on Google Drive, you'll see an option labeled Notifications. Go ahead and select it. Inside the Notifications menu, look for something called Notification Categories. This is where Google organizes notifications into different groups, so you can manage them individually instead of all at once. Tap on that option to continue. Now scroll until you find Requests for Access. This is the category that controls the alerts you get when someone asks to view or edit a file in your Google Drive. Tap on it to open its settings. Here, you'll see the option labeled Sound. Tap this, and you'll be able to choose a new alert tone. Take your time to scroll through your available sounds. Select the one that feels right for you and confirm your choice. Once that's done, you've successfully customized the notification sound for Google Drive requests. From now on, each time someone asks for access, you'll hear your selected tone and immediately know what's going on. Customizing this sound is a simple but powerful way to stay on top of your documents and make sure you don't miss important requests. It only takes a few seconds to set up, but it can save you time and prevent you from overlooking access notifications. And that's it. You've just learned how to personalize your Google Drive notification sound for access requests. Keeping things organized and easy to recognize goes a long way in streamlining your workflow. If you found this helpful, make sure to try it out and start enjoying a more personalized notification experience today.